Streetwear in Pakistan has grown beyond oversized hoodies and graphic tees. Today, it represents culture, storytelling, and individuality. A new generation wants clothing that speaks for them, something bold, rooted, yet modern. And that's where these emerging brands step in. Let's explore 9 labels that are redefining street fashion in Pakistan. First up, Amber Clothing, a brand that feels more like wearable art than simple apparel. Their collection beautifully merges Eastern hand embroidery with modern streetwear silhouettes. Imagine urban cuts blended with cultural motifs that tell stories of heritage and identity. What truly makes Ambara special is how each piece carries meaning. It connects you to Pakistan's cultural roots while still fitting effortlessly into modern street style. And yes, they ship internationally too, making Pakistani streetwear visible on a global stage. Next is Rakam, bringing simplicity and modern minimalism together. They specialize in unisex clothing, making fashion accessible and fluid for everyone. The checkered and button-down shirts offer effortless style for those who prefer subtle fashion statements. Perfect for people who want to look stylish without trying too hard. Talking streetwear exclusivity, you cannot skip next is Mangal. Their embroidered jackets, blazers, crop tops and bold designs make them stand out instantly. Appliques and strong motifs give their outfits a confident personality. And when celebrities like Shay Gill wear their pieces at music events, you know the brand is making serious waves. Mangal represents confidence. Clothing for people who want attention without asking for it. Streetwear isn't just clothing. Accessories complete the vibe. Next is Nakre brings metal jewelry and stylish accessories for both men and women. From Cuban chains to elegant bracelets and statement pendants, they add personality to even the simplest outfits. Their sunglasses designs, especially marble prints and cat eye frames, elevate your entire look effortlessly. Because sometimes, style is all in the details. Next is Vilac speaks directly to the oversized fashion lovers. Their graphic hoodies and embroidered sweatshirts bring a modern, cozy aesthetic that feels timeless. Perfect for everyday wear with style. They represent comfort mixed with identity, something Gen Z absolutely loves. Next is Fittage proves good streetwear doesn't have to be expensive. They offer polos, tank tops and casual essentials for both men and women, all at affordable prices with impressive quality. It's fashion for everyone, not just luxury shoppers. Next is, though known for formal wear, Iva Clothing has quietly built a strong streetwear segment too. Leather jackets, polos, tees and stylish trousers give men plenty of options for casual styling. And with physical stores plus online availability, accessibility becomes easy. A practical brand with modern appeal. Next is Runway is exciting because it blends clothing with a beauty and fragrance line. Their hoodies and graphic tees already look promising, and their upcoming website launch has people curious. A brand that wants to offer a complete lifestyle experience, not just clothing. Definitely one to keep your eye on. Last, but definitely not least, next is Hanger. They're dominating the streetwear game with hoodies, baggy trousers, cargo pants, and women's dresses that are making a comeback in urban fashion. Their biggest strength? Unique designs at extremely affordable prices, perfectly matching Gen Z fashion taste, and with current discounts running, their collections are flying off shelves. Streetwear in Pakistan is evolving. It's no longer borrowed culture. It's becoming homegrown, expressive, and proudly local. These brands prove that Pakistani fashion is not just catching up, it's creating its own lane. And the best part? You're watching this transformation happen in real time. So whether you love oversized fits, embroidered statements, or minimal aesthetics, there's something out there for everyone. Which brand caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love discovering fashion stories like this, hit subscribe and join us on this journey of style and storytelling.